Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Decatoire and I've been working in matte painting and environment concept art for about 10 years. During that time, I've worked across film, video games, and game cinematics, collaborating with studios such as Framestore, Goodbye Kansas, Axis Animation, Blur, and Chaotic Dream. I've had the opportunity to contribute to a wide range of projects and franchises including Avengers, Halo, Warhammer and Diablo, Star Wars Magic the Gathering, and God of War. In this workshop, I walk you through my production-oriented workflow for creating a cinematic matte painting, starting from concept and references, moving through 3D blockout, matte painting production, and finishing with an animated shot. The focus of this workshop is not just on creating a final image, but on understanding the decision made in progress behind each step, using standard tools like Blender, Photoshop, and NUKE, so you can apply the same approach to your own projects. Alright, let's jump in and get started.